Little thread chasing.
Yes. Thread chasing.
That was the one we just took apart, so that was the passenger side. Is it F?
I'm like, let's not mix that
Yeah, I
up.
just want to make sure I got the right one. What the hell's all over this wrench? It's like glue or something.
What do we use that for?
Something with some kind of glue on it.
Is that weather strip adhesive? The grill snot shit?
Looks kind of like it.
There we go. Nice, clean, fresh threads. Peter's gonna be. Oh.
Oh, that's for the airplane. No, that's the airplane. So you that off there. This one.
Nice.
Oh, jeez.
Fixed it.
Good as now. Might have to chase these
I've
out.
had that a couple times at the beach.
Looks good.
Because I didn't pull
Jesus.
permits.
Alright, so we're taking apart
We're doing the whole
driver's side, eh?
whoop-de-doo here.
The whole shebang-a-bang. Shaboom, shaboom. Alright, gang. We're just taking it all apart. There it goes.
Well, it's a lot easier the second time when you.
Well, now you guys know how to do it, so yeah, it'll come right apart.
Some familiarity.
Yeah. All right.
Ugga-dugga.
Yeah. You just ugga-dugga that.
Oh, with the.
Yeah. No.
With the
on
impact.
other side. It's already on. You
The ugga-dugga.
Just
I didn't
ugga-dugga.
even say that. I didn't realize that's.
I got you, girl.
That's the name. You don't need the extension. You just need to put the ugga-dugga in there, and you just need to send it. There you go.
All right.
Problem solved.
Wow.
Now we gotta pound out though.
Yeah.
Then you
Yeah.
gotta get
Save
that
that
out.
up because we're gonna have to do the
Do the bang
again.
bang.
But first we gotta
Pop that.
I gotta pickle this.
You gotta pop the beej.
With the fork, right?
Yeah.
Oh, girl, are you gonna pop the beej?
That is.
The beach.
Yeah, because it's a ball joint, so it's
Oh,
a BJ.
girl.
So you're gonna pop the
You're
beej.
just- I mean, crawl up on the curb. Filthy. Yes, Bobby.
It's gotta
to
be
answer your
filthy.
question, I am gonna work on the beach.
You're gonna pop the beej, eh? You always beat it before you pop the beej?
Yes.
Nice. Little extra service.
Oh, it's gotta go all the way.
Yeah, that's how it
Oh yeah.
starts clamping.
I keep thinking of things.
Yeah, this thing blows it out.
Yeah, that thing does the job.
It's pretty fabulous.
Remember the first time one
Good at
popped?
like trying to
Scared the
stop
shit out of you?
progress.
Yeah,
No, you're asking questions. It's good.
No,
The whole point is we ask questions.
Fingers,
Are you having fun, Peter?
missing fingers.
All right. Yeah, don't look at that.
Put your eyes.
Swing
Just in
it.
case. Oh, I was like, oh, that was anticlimactic.
I'm not even nervous.
I'll just do this one.
Peter, did you ever think you'd ever get this far in any of your cars?
No,
No. Now you're in.
I mean it's too deep now.
Now you're. Holy
You can
moly!
even flatbed it out of here.
Oh, we could with some skates, some dollies. We could drag it out.
Have those?
Yeah, it's not fun, but we could do it.
All right, well, there she goes.
There it was.
Scary.
Terrifying.
Scary.
There we go.
Bobby thinks that's so funny.
It's like you pop, you look around, anybody hurt?
Stop.
Brake hose.
You gotta undo the brake hose.
Oh, yeah.
We have new
Well,
ones.
yeah, we're getting new ones anyway.
We have them. They're here. Because old girl texted me and said,
There
I
might
sent
be
text.
nippers up on top
didn't
there.
know
have a gutter, don't they?
Yeah, it's just.
Time to get the glove on when we're done.
He texted me.
Now I know I'm missing a finger here.
Peter's still working on his gloves.
Get the gloves on.
And now we gotta, before you get that, you gotta get the backing plate off.
Yeah. Oh,
then
yeah, we gotta.
pull the hub.
We gotta.
And then do the backing plate. You know what to do. You got this. You got it.